Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this old locomotive, Israeli locomotive over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here, I have some of the elements to model for the base over here. So I'll just take a reference over here for the base section. So I'll just go into this. Let's take a box over here. I'll activate this auto grid in this way. Convert to poly. Slightly select the edges and let's give two connects over here in this way. Select the connect the two edges. Again let's give two edges over here. Select the polygons and let's give bridge over here. So let's select this again. So things are not clearly that visible over here. Again I'll go over here. Slightly I'll just shuffle this over here. Again I'll take a box. So let's just drag this down. I'll slightly scale this, convert to poly. Slightly push this up. Let's give a bit of inset. Again extrude it a bit up over here in this way. Again I'll take a line tool. And enable in viewport, make it rectangular, drag it down and select this. Can just drag this up over here. Again I'll copy this, select this and let's mirror it, copy it over here in this way. Again select this, let's make one more copy of it. I'll again go over here, I'll just connect it. I'll just make it as a bit of radial over here. can slightly increase its thickness if required. Select this, again take a box, activate the auto grid over here, drag it here, slightly scale it. Let's again go into this, convert to poly, again press shift and drag, make a copy, push it over here in this way. So now let's select this, we can again make one more copy of it. I can just slightly shuffle it in this way, let's take a box, let's just drag it over here, convert to poly, again select this edges over here, we'll directly go into this and let's use a swift loop. And slightly rotate it, drag it up, push it up. So I can just push it inside. Again go over here, just drag it in this way, select the polygons, give a bit of inset, extrude it. So again I'll go over here and let's mirror it over here. So I'll again select this and let's, okay, before that slightly we can push this a bit out. We can just slightly push this out a bit over here. Let's mirror it in y-axis first. So now let's just again mirror it. And let's mirror it in x-axis in this way. This looks much better now. So let's select this again, whole thing, and mirror it in x-axis. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.